Okay, we have this a to the fourth minus 19a squared b squared plus 25b to the fourth. So we need to factor this completely. So itong makita, a to the fourth, then ka na sa 25b to the fourth, murag ate perfect square trinomial kumbaga. Dating our, no, ato ang, shall we say, murag panang a to the fourth, murag na mo na siya a squared square, right? Kana 25b to the fourth pod, murag na siya og 5b squared squared. Tama, di ba? Kana siya, a to the fourth lang na siya. Kani siya is 25b to the fourth. Somehow, natay idea nga kung kani siya, I think we know that u plus v squared is just equal to u squared plus 2uv plus v squared. Okay, so kana nga case. However, kani, well, kung na kay a squared plus 5b squared kung baga, sure na ka nga imong u squared a to the fourth, imong v squared pod kay 25b to the fourth. How about your middle term? What will be 2uv? So let's verify if that will be 19. Minus line siya, no? Minus kay kabalo man ka nga negative. So minus, kung minus na diyan na, this must be minus dire. Let's check kung unsa tong 2uv ko, 19a squared b squared ba. So imuhang u kay a squared, imuhang v kay 5b squared. Well, kung kana nga case, dapat ang middle term kay 10a squared b squared. Unya, 19 man dili man 10. So, what shall you do? Para madali, ingana imong buhaton. Gusto man ka nga mahimo na siyang perfect square trinomial, you have here a to the fourth. Ang atong buhaton ato sa nang i-blank, okay? Ato siyang i-blank. Then I have here 25b to the fourth. Then I isdug this, or what do you call that? Minus 19a squared b squared, okay? Ang buhaton nako, magbutang ko drog negative 10a squared b squared. So kay nag-minus man kog 10a squared b squared, dapat mag-plus po ko og 10a squared b squared. Okay? Tingnan na lang gibuhat. Kung nag-minus ko, mag-add po ko. Karon, ang case is natoy nakuha nga a fourth minus 10a squared b squared plus 25b to the fourth, which I know is a perfect square trinomial. Kanina siya bali, a squared plus 5b squared na minus 5b squared square. Then, ang mabilin, ang sobra niya is minus 19 plus 10, negative 19 plus 10 is what? 9a squared b squared. So all in all, I'm having, if I factor that, that will then be equal to a squared minus 5b squared, okay, square minus 9a squared b squared. And I think one can say that this is still a perfect square, right? Because I can write that as what? Wait. Minus 5b squared, and this is still 3ab squared, right? Murag na ako u squared minus v squared. Tama, di ba? And kabalo ko sa ang factoranin. This is u minus v times u plus v. So simply, this one now is factorable in that sense. This will be well, u minus v. Akong u kay mo man yung u. So I'll have here a squared minus 5b squared minus v. Ang akong v kay mo man akong v. So minus 3ab. Okay? Multiplied by u plus v. A squared minus 5b squared plus 3ab. Okay? And then, ako lang siyang i-simplify para makuha kag nganing form. Unahon nako ang a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. Kani siya a squared plus 3ab plus 5b squared. So, actually, dili na siya ma-factor kung tarungon na maglantaw. Ang factor aning 5 kay 5 times 1 lang yun, okay? Unya, wala may way nga ang 5 times 1. Ang sum sa factor niya mahimong negative 3, wala man. Okay, negative 4 man gina siya. Normally, ang pinaka-last niya pwede maabot diyan. Or negative 4 or 6. So, if you try to factor this, dila na kayo makuha na nga factor. So, this will be your answer. I think this is quite okay na siya. So, I want you to do the substitution for this, the way verify or the way of checking this one. I'm not doing it now because, medyo gikapoy ko. Anyway, thank you.